Hello, it's been a very wet few days in some parts. Now the weather is turning a little bit drier as we go through the weekend and into Christmas week. The rain easing off in many areas today, but persisting across parts of eastern England. Elsewhere, some places actually brightening up a touch and maybe even seeing a hint or two of sunshine. A lot of cloud earlier though. This rain you can see on the radar has been particularly heavy and persistent across parts of East Anglia and the southeast. It is slowly edging northwards, but it's going to linger across much of Yorkshire, the East Midlands throughout the afternoon. Some showery rain too over the West Midlands and the odd shower across the southeast. Some heavy showers in southwest England and a few for western Scotland. But much of eastern Scotland, Northern Ireland and Wales looking dry and perhaps a bit brighter this afternoon. Temperatures single figures for many, maybe double digits across East Anglia and the south east, but it doesn't feel very mild because of the wet weather, which continues to slowly ebb away from eastern parts of England this evening. Rain will linger in Shetland, and then we'll see a lot of showers packing into Wales and southern counties of England. They could be quite heavy, but at least they should tend to zip through on a fairly brisk breeze. Lighter winds further north will allow some mist and fog patches to form, and temperatures, certainly in rural areas, may dip close to freezing across parts of Scotland. Into the weekend then, and still some heavy showers early on across the East Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast. But again, they should be heading away quite quickly. For much of the morning, Saturday looks dry and bright with some sunshine, but notice there is more rain coming into Devon and Cornwall for Saturday afternoon. Elsewhere, as I said, we should see something a bit brighter. Temperatures, again, generally into single figures, but maybe double digits across the south. The wind's relatively light for much of the day on Saturday, but as this wet weather arrives across the south, well, it will be accompanied by some gusty conditions along the south coast. And of course, any extra rain falling after what's been a very wet week across southern England could potentially cause some further problems. So there is a warning in force for this rain across southern counties of England during Saturday night and clearing on Sunday morning. It's caused by this little weather system bringing some very strong winds into parts of France. It does scoot across the south, and that's where we have that warning in force. As I say, because it has been so wet recently, extra rain falling on Saturday night could cause some further flooding problems and could cause some further transport disruption as well. But that low pressure system and that rain does clear away quite quickly on Saturday morning, and then we're left with a mixture of bright spells and showers. The showers mostly in the west. For many central and eastern parts, Sunday should be dry. And again, temperatures mostly around about or a touch above average for the time of year, getting up into the high single figures. Again, though, on Sunday morning, there's likely to be some mist and fog patches around, which could take a while to clear away. As I say, there are those temperatures around about or a touch above average for the time of year. Into next week, Christmas week, it does look as if hopefully the weather will continue to turn a little bit drier. Still some rain around, but overall it's looking a bit colder with frostier mornings through the Christmas period. We'll obviously keep you updated with the weather over the Christmas period. For the very latest, why not follow us on social media?